Okay, we're going to begin restoring this old Parker Brothers VFD tabletop game. Now, I love this game from Parker Brothers. I love VFD games in general, but they did a really good job when they made QBert in a VFD handheld game. It's actually a lot of fun to play, very colorful, pretty cool game. Now, this is one I picked up recently. Found this on Facebook Marketplace. Got it for $25. It does work. Does have the battery cover and everything, so we're all good. The only problem it has is this was kept in a storage unit that wasn't climate controlled, so the heat of the summer pretty much damaged the decals. They're all mottled up and peeling off. Also, the unit's kind of dirty. So I'm going to take this bad boy apart, remove the stickers, put these new stickers I got for it. Got these off of eBay. I'll put a link to the store where I got them from on eBay. And I'll clean the unit up and put the new decals on and have a nice restored QBert tabletop VFD game. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to trim up all these decals. Cut out the insides right here, trim off the excess to make them fit a little bit better. Then we'll take the unit apart, clean up all the plastics, remove the decals, and go from there. So let's get started. So first I'm going to take off all the excess of these guys. So I'm going to use a X-Acto knife. This is a hobby knife I use from a model railroad stuff. And I very carefully will go right along the edge right here to cut these out. And I'll use a regular pair of scissors to trim off the outsides. Now what I do in order to do a straight line is I'll get a ruler so I can get it all lined up like so, right where I want to cut. And then go whoop. That way I don't do angles and stuff like that. It makes it a nice straight cut. So let's get all this done to these little decals and we'll go to the next step. Alright, got them all trimmed up and ready to go. Okay, now next we're going to use a heat gun to heat up the glue on the old decal. We don't leave it on too long because otherwise it'll warp the plastic, but just long enough just to break the glue holes. See how easy that is? I use this same trick for removing labels from Atari 2600 carts as well. Doesn't take much heat to get these off. Awesome. Pretty cool. So we'll continue on with the view screen and down here. Then we'll take the thing apart and get all the plastic cleaned up. So there we go. Got all the decals off. It's kind of cool. You can see down into the unit itself with that decal off here. You can see the little capacitors back in there. That's pretty awesome. So now let's take the case apart. Take out these screws in the bottom here. And we'll give the plastic a really good scrub down. I think while I got it opened up, I'm going to clean up all these contacts really good in here. And the on-off switch, I've already got it opened up. That'll make it be more reliable. It does play just fine, but with this carbon fiber, these carbon dot things on here, they do get corroded over time. So we'll give it a nice cleaning inside as well outside. Then we'll put the decals on. Scrub, 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 scrub. There we go. Got all the pieces cleaned off, all the residue removed from the old stickers. Pretty awesome. So now we're going to put the stickers on. Put this bad boy back together again. And there we go. All cleaned up. Got the new decals on. It looks pretty much like brand new. Pretty awesome. This is a great little VFD game. Love this game. So cool. Awesome. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.